Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create slide presentations with Claude. All right, let's begin. Open your browser, go to Google, and search for Claude AI. Click the official website and sign into your account. Once you're on a new chat page, create a detailed prompt describing your presentation topic. Be specific about slide titles, bullet points, visuals, layout, color theme, and speaker notes. You can also mention audience type and presentation length for better results. Submit the prompt and wait for Claude to generate a structured slide outline. The response will include images that have organized sections with headings, bullet points, and notes. If needed, refine the output by asking for adjustments like fewer slides or different visuals. Next, you can just ask Claude to turn it into PowerPoint format and wait for it to be completed. Review formatting, spacing, and visuals, then save your presentation. So that's basically how you can create slide presentations with Claude. That's it for this video. Thanks.